All right, it's Wednesday, October 25th. This is an end of the day SPY recap, and today we end up with a 2-down bar that reached its target. We moved below the low of yesterday. We held below the midpoint of yesterday, and we came down on a red bar to hit the lows of Monday, which was our first target. You can see here the purple line, which is our next bigger picture target. If we go to the monthly chart, that's kind of what we're looking at there. We are heading lower as anticipated, given the red move below this prior month's bar, and we have this next target down here. Now, once we get there, we'll see, our next target then goes to the, these lows down here, but there is a bit of support, at the midpoint maybe of that buying tail down in this area. So there's still room to drop from there, but the question is, are we going to reach that next target? And time will tell. I mean, obviously, as we continue lower, we look for actionable signals on the way down, and that's what kind of unfolded today for the first time in a while. We had the exhaustion risk with the 2 down, the 2 down, the 2 down, the 2 down. So we're patiently waiting for reversals back into time frame continuity, and today was the perfect setup. Number one, you had the 2 up day that failed to reach its target up here in the very short run, and we said if we get a 2 down day, that would be an exciting opportunity to go short. And right out of the gates, if we go to the 15-minute chart, we went right below the pre-market range here on bar number 1. I shot a video how I aggressively bought puts here, came down, paused, came back to the midpoint of that first bar, then started down again. At that point, we took out the intraday low and we reached our target here, which was the low of Monday. So, just first trade of the morning, then a secondary trade to get short the 2 moves that I always look for on a good directional day. And we stopped just short of the purple line here, which is the monthly target. So after a big red bar, you do expect a little follow through, but once we hit a monthly target, who knows if we continue strong or, maybe get a little bit of a pause and even a potential reversal. You never know. I mean, you're not expecting that. There's still targets down below, but once you get your actionable signal and you reach a target, you can pause at any time or not. But as long as we stay below the midpoint of this red bar and we watch 15-minute price structure tomorrow, we could be breaking through our next target and starting to reach for, our next areas down in here in the big picture. We'll find out. But anyway, today was just the classic day you were waiting for. Coming into the week, again, the first 2 days offered, actually, yesterday was a failure that I discussed on the on my recap video to the downside, but it really wasn't confirmed yet, and today was more the confirmation of that. And even when you had the up move yesterday, which developed just early in the session, there were some individual stocks that you could have traded to the upside, even if you wanted to be patient and wait for the sell side to unfold with the SPY. But anyway, as today, very good day to the downside, and you can see here again, 15-minute chart, just classic, moving below the pre-market range, first bar. That's kind of what you're looking for on the downside. Opposite, if you're going to be looking at the the upside, and everything fell into place today to get the 2 down move out of this consolidation towards our next target. And we expect a definite follow through lower when you see a red bar. Let's just see if we hold the midpoint, and let's see if momentum continues to the downside to finish the week.